Hi everyone, Damian here and welcome to our studio. Today I'm going to show you how we create our large 3D models using Aarakocra as example. As you can see, every model can be printed as a miniature, but also in a giant over a meter version. This applies to all the models in our store. You can print any of them in a large scale. If you choose such a huge print like with Aarakocra, we need to split the model into parts. We print each part separately, in our case on a Prusa filament printer. Then we assemble the pieces using cyanoacrylate glue. This glue is simple to use and very strong. If you want faster results, you can also use a glue accelerator. You can ask, why do we print miniatures in such a large scale? At first, we did it just for fun. We wanted to try something new. We also wanted to decorate our studio. Now we have a few large models waiting to be painted. If you want to see them, subscribe to our channel and leave a comment. It will give us the motivation to take on this challenge. I haven't told you yet what an Aarakocra is. Most of you probably already know, especially if you play role-playing games. An Aarakocra is a race from the Dungeons and Dragons world. It is inspired by the mix of a human and a bird of prey. In our studio, one of the series we create focuses on fantasy models, mainly from the D&D universe. Alright, let's speed up this process a bit. As you can see, there is a lot of fitting and gluing involved. In other words, quite a puzzle. Between the parts small gaps appear. Later we fill them with special putty. We use different materials, both professional ones and cheaper options. For example, we sometimes use wood filler from hardware stores. As you can see, sometimes prints have small hair like strings. This comes from the filament and sometimes happens. It can be caused by wrong temperature settings or poor filament quality. We remove these strings with a heat gun or acetone. This method works very well for large-scale models. In the background you can see 3 other models. Troll Thorsten was the first model made in our studio. He's a character from the game Forest Rush. We plan to release this game very soon. Definitely this year. Next to him you can see the elf Sylphil. These miniatures are some of our very first projects. As you can see, the Aarakocra turned out quite large. Its wingspan is almost 2 meters. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. See you.
RPG figures. Play hard, paint harder. We're a creative studio designing sci-fi and fantasy STL miniatures for 3D printing.